Hi everyone, welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I will share a very easy to make, very delicious homemade Tantuni recipe. It's a very famous Turkish street food. Let's get started. Let's take half a kilogram of slivered meat in our pot. You can use minced meat or very thinly chopped beef if you wish. Let's stir for 2 minutes, crushing it. As you can see, it starts to release its own juice. Let's put the lid of the pan and cook it for about 20 minutes over low heat. Meanwhile, let's prepare the vegetables. I have one medium-sized onion. I chop it as you can see in the video. I have already chopped a bunch of parsley. I peeled 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Now I chop them as seen in the video. I take them all into a plate. Our meat has been cooking for about 20 minutes over low heat. It has drained all its water as you can see. This means it is cooked. On it, I pour half a teacup of oil. And I put enough salt. I add a full teaspoon of red pepper powder. If you like bitter, you can add chili pepper powder. Let's roast for 2 minutes in this way. I didn't use much oil because I did not want it to be oily. If you want, you can use a teacup of oil instead of half a teacup. I will use Turkish kebab bread for my tantuni. You can use thin lavash bread or thin pita bread. I'm pressing it on the meat as you can see in the video. I've greased my bread this way. Let's put it on a plate. And now, put the meat on the edge of the bread. Let's put some of our chopped onions, parsley and tomatoes. Then I tightly wrap it. Look, I want to show you the inside of our tantuni. It's all ready. It's very practical, as you can see, and very tasty. I hope you try and like it. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.